In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your course in Teachable. Previewing your course is the quickest way to see what your students will actually experience, so you can catch layout hiccups, missing files, or confusing navigation before anyone enrolls. From your Teachable admin dashboard, head to the Courses area. This is the central hub where all of your courses live. Think of it as your course library. If you manage multiple courses, take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one by checking the course title and thumbnail so you don't accidentally preview the wrong project. Next, click into the specific course you want to review. Opening the course takes you to its management view, where you can access all the tools to fine-tune your content. This is where you'll control structure, media, and settings, and it's the best place to confirm that everything you've built is organized the way you intended. Once inside the course, switch to the Curriculum tab. The curriculum is where your sections and lectures are arranged, so it gives you a clear picture of the learning path. If you've recently organized lectures, uploaded videos, or added downloads, it's helpful to pause here and make sure those edits look correct. Also, if you made any last-minute changes, ensure they're saved so your preview reflects the latest version. Now look to the top right corner of the curriculum page and click the Preview button. This opens the student-facing view, letting you see the course from a learner's perspective. You'll notice the interface mirrors what students see: the section list, individual lectures, and how media is embedded on each page. This is a read-only view for you, so you won't accidentally change content while you're checking things. As you navigate the preview, pay attention to a few quality checks. Confirm your lecture titles make sense and flow in a logical sequence. Open a lecture to verify that videos play smoothly, downloads are accessible, and images display correctly. Skim any text for clarity and typos, and make sure instructions are concise and easy to follow. If your course uses quizzes or assignments, ensure their placement and wording are intuitive. You may also see certain items locked if you use drip schedules or prerequisites. That's normal and mirrors the student experience. When you're satisfied with what you see, simply return to your Curriculum tab to continue editing or polishing. Previewing regularly as you build helps you spot small issues early, saving time and ensuring a smooth, professional experience for your students. That's all it takes to preview your course in Teachable. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective for quality control.